Guys, if you are facing the same problem as I was facing and not been able to open the camera shutter, then what you have to do is just in Lenovo laptops, so what you have to do is just get your Vantage taskbar here. From here you can easily control your camera settings, just on, off easily. What you have to do is get into your Lenovo Vantage application, and I will restart this application for you just once. Go to media. In media, as soon as you enter media, as soon as you enter media, my Vantage application is up to date, so you will see this kind of interface. If you have some old version, or maybe I don't know, you will get some updates, then it's possible that the interface would change. Here you can see you can easily use this button for switching the camera on and off, or else if you want the Vantage taskbar here, just go to power. Power, you can easily see there is a task toolbar option here. As soon as you switch it off, you will see that the toolbar also. As soon as you switch it on, you can see the toolbar here. I wish you find this video helpful. Thanks.